In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a laughing sound effect in CapCut. Whether you're working on a funny clip, a meme, or just want to highlight a lighthearted moment in your video, adding the right sound effect can make all the difference. CapCut is a powerful and intuitive video editing app that's perfect for this kind of creative touch. If you don't already have the app installed, you can find it in your device's app store. And if you're new to CapCut, be sure to check the link in the description to get started. Now let's dive into the tutorial. First, open the CapCut app on your device. This is the very starting point for creating or editing any video project. Once the app loads, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is like the control center for all your projects. From here, tap on Create New. This ensures you're starting with a fresh project, free of any preloaded elements or distractions, giving you complete creative control. When prompted to choose a canvas, select Blank Canvas. Starting with a blank canvas is helpful because it provides a clean and organized workspace, making sure there's nothing in the way of your precise editing. Now, locate the toolbar, which is usually positioned at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the audio option. This is where all the magic happens in terms of sound. The audio section is your go-to spot for adding music, sound effects, and any other audio enhancements to your project. Next, at the top of the audio section, you'll see a search bar. Use this to type in laughing sounds. By doing this, you're filtering the available sound effects to show only laughter-related options. This is much faster than scrolling through a long list of sounds, and it ensures you're finding exactly what you need. Go ahead and preview the laughing sound effects that appear in your search results. You can do this by simply tapping on each option to hear how it sounds. This step is important because it allows you to choose the laughing sound that best fits the tone and energy of your video. Depending on what you're looking for, you might find giggles, audience laughter, or even more exaggerated variations. Take your time to find the one that feels right. Once you've found the perfect laughing sound effect, tap on it to add it to your project. This action will insert the sound effect directly into your timeline, where you can begin editing it to fit your video. Now let's move into positioning the sound effect. Drag the laughing sound effect into the timeline. The timeline is like a roadmap of your video, and it's where you can position the sound effect at the exact moment it's needed. Use your finger or mouse, depending on your device, to place it precisely where it aligns with the visuals. For example, at the punchline of a joke or during a funny scene. To make sure the timing is just right, adjust the placement of the sound effect by dragging it forward or backward in the timeline. Proper timing is key to making the laughter feel natural and well integrated into the scene. You can make as many adjustments as needed until it lines up perfectly with the visual cue. Finally, play back your video to confirm that the laughing sound effect matches the energy and timing of the scene. This review step is essential to ensure the sound enhances your video the way you intended. If it feels slightly off, don't worry. Just go back and refine the placement by repeating the previous steps until everything feels spot on. And there you have it. You've successfully added a laughing sound effect to your video in CapCut. With this skill, you can elevate the humor and impact of your content, making it even more engaging for your audience. If you have any questions or need further tips, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.